Guys, welcome back. We are continuing to work on our division today. We are doing lesson 9 in chapter 3, page 209. And it's really just the same thing that we have been doing this whole time. This lesson is called Place the First Digit, but it's just the same process that we've been going through, so don't get scared. Just more practice with division. A 3-digit dividend may not have enough hundreds to divide. If so, the quotient should start at the next place value position. Raven received 135 emails, over 3 weeks. If she received the same number of emails each week, how many emails did she receive in the first week? All right, first step is to write down the numbers that we're going to be divided here. 135 divided by 3. Okay, find yourself a good estimate. 150 is close to 135, and it's compatible with 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. Bring that 0 over. My answer should be close to 50, somewhere in the ballpark of 50. Okay. I'm going to do this on a separate sheet because I love to space things out. I'm going to make my paper long ways like this so that I have plenty of space if I have to bring down a lot. Right, my acronym at the top does McDonald's, sell, burgers, raw, really means divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, remainder, or repeat. And today I'm dividing 135 divided by 3. Okie dokie, I'm all set up. Now, first step is to divide. Can we divide 3 into 1? Can 3 go into 1? No, 1 is less than 3. That is not going to work. So we have to move over. Can 3 go into 13? Yes. 3 can go into 13 4 times. Because 3 cannot go into 1, we are not going to put our first digit over the 1. That is a big no-no. We have to put our first digit over the 3 and 13 because that's where we can divide into for 13. 3 goes into 13 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, so we're multiplying, subtracting. 13 take away 12 is 1. Next, bring down that 5. Repeat, divide. 3 goes into 15 how many times? 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract. 0, nothing left to bring down. My answer, my quotient, is 45. Notice here, it's not even giving you a box for over the 1 because you are not supposed to be putting your quotient numbers over the dividend numbers you couldn't divide into. So you had to divide into 13, not 1. So there should not be a number over 1 in your quotient. Okay, so Raven received 45 emails. Let's check to see if it was reasonable. Is 45 kind of close to our estimate of 50? Yeah, so our answer is reasonable. Okay, look at the next one. Ooh, this looks like it's going to be a pretty long one. Again, I'm going to use a separate sheet of paper. Make sure I'm giving myself lots of space. Write my acronym at the top. It says McDonald's, sell, burgers, raw, really means divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat, or remainder. We have 7 as our divisor, and on the inside of our house, 6,784. Let's talk estimate for a second. Come up with our estimate first because that should be a real quick process for us. So 6,784 divided by 7. Bring down the 7. Think of your 7 times tables. What gets us close to 67? Probably like 70, right? That's the closest I can think of. Make sure your estimate has the same amount of digits. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 digits here. There should be 4 digits here. 7,000 divided by 7. Okay, easy peasy, box of basic facts. 1, add 3 zeros. So our answer should be somewhere close to 1,000. That's our estimate. Our estimate is 1,000. All right. Let's start dividing. 7. Can 7 go into 6? No, 7 cannot go into 6. 6 is less than 7, so that is not going to work. Can 7 go into 67? Yes, it can. So my first digit in my quotient, is it going to go over the 6? Am I allowed to put something over this 6? No, do not put anything over that 6. You can put an X to remind you if you want to, or you can remember to leave it blank, but it's very important that you're placing things in the right spot in your quotient. Now we have to get on to how many times can 7 go into 67? Well, I know that 7 times 10 is 70, and that would be way too high, and I can't put 2 digits. I can't put a 2-digit number in my quotient, so 10 is not going to work. But maybe I could try 9, right? 7 times 9 is 63. So we are multiplying. We are subtracting. 67 minus 63 is 4. We are now bringing down, following our steps along the way. How many times can 7 go into 48? Well, I know 7 times 7 is 49, but that's too high. So 7's not going to work, so it must be 6. Notice I put my 6 on top of the 8 because that's what I'm working with right now. 6 times 7 is 42. Subtract. 48 minus 42 is 6. Bring down. How many times can 7 go into 64? Well, I know that 7 times 9 is 63. So that's pretty close to 64. It must be 9. 7 times 9 is 63. Subtract, we get 1. Nothing left to bring down, so this is our remainder. Quotient is 969, remainder of 1. Is 969 close to 1,000? Absolutely, yes it is. So that's a good estimate. Fill it in here if you want to. 969, remainder of 1, 63, 48, 42, 64, 63, 1, and it was 969, remainder 1. Check for reasonableness. Was 1,000 our estimate close to our answer? Yes, it was. All right, we got 2 more to do together here. Dad, mom, sister, brother, rover, or, I'm sorry, that's the one I used to use, but now I like this one better. Does McDonald's sell burgers roll? Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat. Okay, let's start our process here. Can 5 go into 4? No way. Can 5 go into 43? Yes. So our first digit is going to get placed right there. 5 can go into 43 8 times. 8 times 5 is 40. Next, subtract. 43 minus 40 is 3. Next, bring down. Next, repeat. Back to division. 5 goes into 35 how many times? 7. 5 times 7 is 35. 35 minus 35 is 0. No remainder, nothing left to bring down. 87 is our quotient. Okay, next one. Can 8 go into 6? No. Can 8 go into 62? Yes. Well, I know that 8 goes into 62 7 times because 7 times 8 is 56. 62 minus 56 I could count backwards here, or I could borrow. 12 minus 6 is 6. 5 minus 5 is nothing, so I'm not even going to write it. Next step is to bring down. Now I have 69. How many times does 8 go into 69? 8 times. 8 times 8 is 64. 69 minus 64 is 5. There's nothing left to bring down, so that 5 is our remainder. 78 remainder of 5. Hey guys, your job is to complete pages 211, all the problems on 211, and numbers 15 and 16 on 212. If you're feeling up for a challenge, you're really enjoying division, I hope. Maybe you want to try 17 and 18 in the Brain Builders section. Fill out that Google form so I can see how you're doing with this, and if you need any extra help, I am here every single day from 9:15 to 10 and 2:20 to 3:20, just waiting for you to come on and ask me for help. That's my job. I miss teaching so much. Please come on. Let me help you. I am happy to do it. All right, good luck, guys. Hope to see you soon.